Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to add grid lines back into Microsoft Excel. So here I am in Excel, and I've opened up a new sheet, and you can see I can select all the cells there, but unfortunately there's no grid lines. And so this can make it very difficult to work, to organize what you're doing, to kind of see how much space you actually have left to work with. So if we come over here to the View tab, you can see this little checkbox that says grid lines is unchecked. And this is easy to do by accident if you're moving kind of quick through the different view options. And if we just click on that, it brings all of the default grid lines back. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to get your grid lines back into Microsoft Excel. If you have any other questions, please email me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.